is, so this is the Cameron Cube. Oh, I got it. Thank you. The Cameron Cube just puts on the front of your putter and sticks there, and it gives you an indication of if I use my hands. See how I use my hands and the ball rolls out of the back of the putter. Or if I use my hands to flip it, I don't get any energy. There's no consistent speed on that. What we want to do is if we use our shoulders back and forth, and I didn't do that, back and forth, see, I'm using my shoulders to control this putter. Now the ball stays in there. I'm creating a nice fluent stroke that's got good timing and rhythm, and then as I release it, I release the putter down the line. Okay? But if I use my hands, now I can manipulate. The ball falls out of the Cameron Cube and doesn't go where you want it to go. So it's a good training aid, especially if you close your eyes and really focus on keeping that ball in there and feeling your shoulders controlling the stroke. Your shoulders are controlling the stroke of keeping the ball in, and as you can see, everything is moving together. My shoulders are controlling the stroke, which is going to create consistency with face contact and path. Second, we start getting ourselves manipulating the ball or the stroke, now you're going to create inconsistency between both speed and distance. So, excuse me, speed and accuracy.
What's that little thing called?
This is called the Cameron Cube. So it's a really good training aid. It's good. It gives you really good feedback on what you're doing and how you can control your stroke with your shoulders. And then that's the same thing as the pendulum putting rod that you were just watching me get together. The same concept. Pendulum putting rod, excuse me. Here, I'll have you hold this now. The pendulum rod here, as you can see, there's equidistance away from the shaft and the butt of the putter, right? And from there, these two are parallel, right? If I use my hands, see, the butt of the putter is going back and forth. But if I use my shoulders and try to keep these two as close together as possible, well, now the putter is stroking with my shoulders and the putter's moving by the control of my shoulders, and everything is staying the same and the speed is the same, right? So I'm controlling it. You see my shoulders rocking, going back and forth, allowing the putter to swing. But as you see, there's not a lot of face rotation there, is there?
You can see your eyes are still
And your eyes are over the ball. You get yourself into a position, which I have the eyeline mirror over there. With this, you do this with the eyeline mirror, we can set this into your sternum